Hello everybody. Today I want to show you something very good profit in this industry, crypto industry. Now 2020 have very big business become booming around the world. This BTT Tycoon belong to Tron company, and then this BTT Tycoon use BitTorrent. So you go to CoinMarketCap, this one CoinMarketCap. You can see here, BitTorrent also very strong company, very strong coin. You can see BitTorrent level 35. So here you can see inside CoinMarketCap already have around 400 million US dollar. Only price 0.000445, very small. Okay. So here what you doing? You need to buy this coin, BitTorrent coin, and then you put inside here for do mining and job here. How much you can get every day? I show you. Okay. Here you just download application and then you can get how much every day. Okay, here you buy this coin. Okay. Here one share belong to 1 million coin. So you need to buy 1 million coin BitTorrent and put here. So you 1 share to 10 share you can get around 1% or 1.5%. Below you take which one did. Okay. You take 190 day you can get 1.5%. So you put 11 share to 20 you get around 1.8% 190 day. 21 share above you can see around 2%. So 50 share above you can get around 2.2% a day. Okay. In 180 day you can get around 396. Okay. You can see here. Okay, this one very simple project. And then what you need to do, okay, you go to application, you can download this application. After you download, you go to here, you go to this coin, you need to buy this coin and then transfer coin to here. So now already buy coin and then already transfer here. So here already invest 21,000. So I buy here 21 share 180 days, so I get 2% daily. So how much I get here? You can see I just joined 3 day. First day I get 420,000 coin, around 175,000 175 US dollar every day. So you get daily until 180 day. So here, for example, today I buy again 30 million BTT. So I buy in Binance and then I transfer here. Okay. So here BTT 30,000. So what you need to do? Very simple. Okay. First, after you buy coin, you go to app. You go to this one. After you verify everything, I show you mining. So here mining. So here I have 30,000 shares. So if I want to buy 1 share, so this automatically deduct 1 million coin. So if I buy 21 share, meaning I buy 21 share, 21 million coin. Okay. So you need to choose this one because this one very big profit. Around $7,500 like this. So you buy it and then confirm. Okay, very easy. So after that you can get daily dividend. Okay, I show you my account. This one daily dividend. Okay, before they already show get daily dividend in your account. Okay. Okay, and then you need to find one job from this app. After you buy mining, after verify, you need to also find one job. What job you need to find? You go to job hunting. Okay. You just go there. You can find 45 days. So you take this job. This job very cheap. You can see here. 200,000 to 400,000 coin. So you put here, you just reserve like this, you put reserve, and then you take this job. Okay, so how much you need to coin? So here you need 21 share times 1 million. Okay, so here you need to 21 million coin. Okay, this one for mining, number one for mining, and then number two, you need to find job for 100 coin, around 400 coin. Okay, 400,000 BTT. How much you can generate income from this one? This one you can generate income around 2% daily, time 180 days. Here you can get coin 400,000. This one around 175 USD daily. So you can withdraw every day. You just take this coin and then withdraw to Binance. Okay, I show you. Sorry. Okay, click here. You can see this history. So already get bonus first day, and then this one I withdraw. This one I transfer to Binance. Withdraw direct to Binance. You can get immediately in Binance, and then you go to Binance account. Okay, you can sell. Okay, I show you my Binance. Okay, you go to Binance. This one Binance. You see price BTT. Okay, you can sell. You can click here, and then you can sell. Okay. Okay, this one I also have trading. You can sell. You can put how much? This one amount BTT 420 BTT. You can get around $186 every day. So you just from everyday profit you just put here, and then you can withdraw every day. That's all. Okay, thank you.